Welcome to the Four-Wheel Camper showroom. Behind me is the Swift Slide-In Shell. It's compatible with mid-sized trucks with a 5 to 5.5 foot bed. We're going to do a quick walkthrough starting with the passenger side exterior. This large window comes standard with the Swift Shell. Up top you can choose between 2 awnings and a variety of roof rack configurations. Coming around the back of the camper, we have our standard porch light, but you can also opt to add additional lighting to the exterior of your camper, as well as additional accessories. These are steps to help reach the roof. And here we have storage for 2.5 gallon propane tanks. You'll only have storage here for propane if you opt to add the furnace inside. This camper does have the furnace option. To customize the look of your camper, you can choose from a variety of aluminum siding colors. On the driver's side, we have a nice clean finish, as well as the exhaust for the furnace and our solar batteries. Let's pop the top and check out the interior. Welcome to the interior of the Swift Slide-In Shell. The passenger side here is fitted with storage from the front to the back of the camper, and it can be used as a bench. The driver's side of the Swift Slide-In also has a bench area with storage underneath. Since this model opted to have a furnace and solar included, all of that is stored in the rear of the camper with the countertop and storage up top. The standard cabinet finish is a lighter maple color. You can also choose our silver spur interior with a gray and black finish. The vinyl pop-up portion of the camper is fitted with 4 windows. Each has a screen layer, a clear plastic layer, a privacy layer, and for additional insulation, check out our thermal packs. Up top, we have 4 LED dimmable light strips, as well as a powered fan. For additional circulation in your camper, you can add another fan in the cab over area. The front of the camper is fitted with our slide-out bed. This is the king size, which when pulled all the way out, allows you to sleep in any direction. For mattress and seating covers, there are several fabric designs to choose from. Again, this is the Swift Slide-In Shell. To build your own rig, visit our Build My Camper tool on our website, and we'll see you down the trail.